Lame. Something boring or disappointing. Example: that movie was so lame. Sick. Amazing or awesome can also mean ill, but here it's the positive meaning. Example: that new video game is sick. Screw up. A mistake or error, usually significant. Example: I totally screwed up the recipe. Rip off. Something overpriced or not worth the money. Example: that concert was a total rip-off. Bummer. A disappointing or unfortunate situation. Example: it's raining on our beach day. What a bummer. For real. Used to emphasize honesty or truth. Example: you actually met the celebrity. For real. Damn. An expression of surprise, admiration, or frustration. Example: damn, that's a nice car. Shady. Suspicious or untrustworthy behavior. Example: that deal sounds shady. Creepy. Something or someone unsettling or scary. Example: that old house is so creepy at night. Get rolling. To get started or begin an activity. Example: let's get rolling on this project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.